MCP Server stands for Model Context Protocol Server. MCP is an open protocol that allows AI models to securely connect with external tools, data sources, and applications. MCP acts like a bridge between an AI, LLM, and real-world systems such as databases, BI tools, files, APIs, and services. MCP standardizes how context, tools, and actions are shared with AI models. MCP removes the need for custom plugins or hard-coded integrations. Core purpose of MCP Server is to give AI models live, structured, and permission-based access to enterprise systems. MCP Server exposes tools, schemas, metadata, and actions in a machine-readable way. AI models use MCP to read, analyze, query, and act on connected systems safely. Official Power BI MCP Server is a Microsoft-provided MCP implementation for Power BI. It allows AI models to interact directly with Power BI semantic models, datasets, reports, and metadata. It enables AI to generate DAX queries, model insights, report explanations, and analytics workflows. It follows Microsoft security, authentication, and tenant governance rules. It is designed for data analysts, BI professionals, and data engineers. Why the Power BI MCP Server matters? It removes manual DAX writing for exploration. It allows AI-driven insight generation over enterprise data. It makes Power BI AI native instead of AI assisted. How many types of MCP servers exist, ever made conceptually? MCP is a protocol, so servers are classified by function, not vendor count. Types of MCP servers. Official vendor, MCP servers. Built and maintained by platform owners. Example, Power BI, MCP Server, GitHub, MCP Server, Open Source MCP Servers. Community built and customizable. Used for experimentation and private deployments. Enterprise internal MCP servers. Built by companies for internal tools. Connect AI to ERP, CRM, finance, and BI systems database MCP servers. Expose SQL, NoSQL, and warehouse systems. Example, PostgreSQL MCP, Snowflake MCP BI, and Analytics MCP servers. Connect AI to dashboards, metrics, and KPIs. Example, Power BI, Tableau-style MCPs, file system MCP servers. Allow AI to read, write, and manage files securely. API and tool MCP servers. Wrap REST, GraphQL, and internal APIs for AI usage automation MCP servers. Enable AI-driven workflows and task execution. Important truth. MCP is not a single product. MCP is a new AI infrastructure layer like HTTP for the web. Power BI MCP Server is Microsoft's official step into AI native analytics. This is the High List powered by HU. Subscribe.